Obila ojiwo arita e alwora ma kanisa ma Jesus Winner Ministry bang' rowere mag Gen Z buogo monjo kanisano ewi sadaka mar $20 mane jatend piny William Ruto ochiwo negi. E kinde keto arita margi, Obila orakore kod rowere kod jofwambo e alwora mar kanisano mar menyo weche kaka dhi. E kindeno jofwambo ariyo, Mulindi Kare mar kambi All Media Services kod Dennis Otieno ne ong'wan kod Obila e kinde mane gigoyo picha kaka Obila ne timore kod rawere mane ochopo e alwora mar kanisano.
JSU walikuwa wanashika vijana wakeka kwa gari, so nilikuwa napiga hiyo shot, wakanikujia, wamenitandika, wameniingiza pale ndani, wakadelete kila kitu kwa kamera na wamebaki na hiyo kamera. Wameninyang'anya flash disk nilikuwa nayo, wamecheck kwa mfuko, kila kitu kwa simu yangu wamedelete.
A message to Gen Zs, I would just love to tell them, please Gen Zs, my brothers and my sisters, because I have them behind me. Let nobody use you at this particular moment. Let nobody uses you to even mock God. Please.
So I'd come here to voice my concerns. The entire place was the intention. I can't say it may fail because we have not seen people being tear-gassed here. We have succeeded. Everyone was afraid. They need to know that we are capable of these things and we can do it if we want to. I could see Pastor Mwai mentioning Gen Z every 5 seconds. Go check the video. Every 5 seconds, Gen Z, oh, Gen Z that. Gen Z, oh, Gen Z that. It's because they know now that we can do something about it. And we're not going to sit down when they're ruining our country.